Systematic investment planning, or simply SIP, helps you discipline and streamline your investments while aiding wealth creation in the long term to help you achieve your financial goals. Not only can SIPs effectively tackle market volatility, but they also compound your money. You earn interest on your previously earned interest. It's super simple to invest in a small case through SIPs. In case you want to start SIP with a new small case, go to the Discover page and find the right small case for yourself. You can use Find Your Small Case or just apply filters to do the same. Click on Invest Now to invest in the small case, and you can choose to start SIP right while you place the order. To start SIP in an already invested small case, just go to the Investments page, click on the small case and hit Start SIP at the bottom. If your minimum investment amount for the particular small case is above Rs 50,000, you can start the SIP from the order completion screen or just go to the Investments page. We shall notify you via email, push notification, in-app notification and WhatsApp on some brokers when your SIP is due. You can also edit your SIP if you wish. Just go to the particular small case and click on Edit SIP. You can change the amount, frequency, and the next date when your SIP should be due. SIPs are greatly preferred due to rupee cost averaging. Since you buy shares on the day of SIP installment, you invest more at lower prices and less at higher prices, averaging out your overall cost of acquisition. Plan a stable financial future for yourself. Go ahead, start SIP today.